What's up, everybody? This is your girl Maryse, and welcome back to my video. I'm doing my intro.
Oh, okay.
What's up, everybody? This is your girl Maryse, and I'm back again with another video. So today we're going to be doing a cooking video, per se. I'm going to show you how to make caramel apple dump cake. And you only need 4 ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, first you're going to want to get you a pan just like this. I don't know what size it is. I just know it's a cooking pan. Yeah. Okay, so you just want to get you a pan just like this. You can use any type, it don't matter, depending on how many people that you're going to be cooking for. You want to get your Betty Crocker cake mix, or you can get any kind. I got the super moist cake mix, the yellow. Then I have another one. I have a white one because I plan on doing layers, so we're going to see how that works out. You want to get your butter, your canned apple slices, and your caramel candies, the square kind. Now remember, you only need one of each, but depending on how many people you're making this for, you may need more. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is open the apples. We're gonna spread the apples around in here like so. Oh, this is gonna be hard to get out. Baby, can you give me a spoon? Can you give me a spoon, please? Yeah. Yes, I do. Thank you very much.
These motherfucking girls.
Ignore him, y'all. No, I need to shut up, jackass. Thank you.
Bitch.
Why I gotta be all that?
Fuck America.
Don't listen to him.
It's Stage Pro. Love you.
Love you too, baby. You know what, y'all? I might actually need this extra one because this look a little thin. Okay, so this technically ain't working out the way I thought it was gonna work. Okay, so we're just gonna shake it in like so. Straight in there. Okay. Alright, y'all, so actually I'm glad I got 2 cans because it seems that I'm gonna really be needing 2 instead of 1. Okay. So we're just gonna press it down like that. Or if you prefer to use fresh apples, you're more than welcome to. You don't have to use canned fruits unless you're just feeling lazy like me and you're not trying to mess up too many dishes. So yeah. Okay. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna take one of our cake mixes. I'm gonna start with the white first. And we're just gonna pour that on top. All right, so as you can see, I made my little hole. We're just gonna sprinkle this around on top of the apples until we get everything coated. Oops. Well, we're gonna pat it down so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna take the time to just push it down and spread it all around just to make sure everything is coated evenly. Okay. Then we're just gonna continue on to pouring it. Okay. This is a very messy process, so be ready to clean up. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna once again go ahead and push everything down. All right, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. Pour it just a little bit more. I'm not gonna use the whole bag, just a little. I could, you know, it's not gonna hurt nothing. You know what? Go ahead and just pour everything. Pour it all up. It is called a caramel apple duck cake after all. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and set that off to the side, and we're gonna once again push it down. Y'all, I'm over here making the biggest mess that I could possibly make, knowing I am not gonna want to clean it up. But it is what it is. Oh, y'all, I forgot. I was gonna take this and spray the pan just to make sure everything don't stick, but I clearly forgot. I'm wasting it out on the floor. All right, go ahead and continue to spread everything. Make sure it's pushed down so you can have an even coat. Oops. Okay. Alright guys, so now that we have everything semi pushed down, you're gonna wanna go ahead and take your caramel candies, square kind, or you can get the bite-sized one, it don't matter as long as it's caramel. We're gonna go ahead and start unwrapping these. And we're gonna put it one by one, all on the cake, just like that. Now, if you don't want it to be too sweet, you can leave this out. But I like sweet, so I'm gonna put as many as I could possibly put. Make sure you have them evenly lined up. Like so. Alright guys, I'll be right back with this. I don't want y'all to be bored with me just sitting here peeling wrappers off the caramel, so be right back. Alright guys, so I almost used all the candies. And I just realized that I actually kind of did this wrong. So you're supposed to put the apples, then the caramel, then the cake mix on top, then butter. But that's okay because it's still gonna taste good, regardless. Alright, so what we're about to do is we're about to go ahead and pour this butter on top. Oops, that was too much. I know what y'all thinking. Yes, this is a heart attack, diabetes waiting to happen. This is what it should look like. Kinda. Just with the caramels on top of the cake mix when it's supposed to be the other way around. But that's okay because it's still gonna taste good, so it don't matter. Alright y'all, so I'm about to clean up this mess and we're about to pop this in the oven. Alright y'all, so this is the finished product. As y'all can tell, this shit looks completely horrible. So this was a complete fail. Fail, because this just don't look great. I did it wrong and everything, so I'm gonna get the ingredients that I need and I'm gonna do this again. But I'm not gonna throw this away, so we'll see how it tastes. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. And let me know in the comment section down below what videos that you would like to see from me next. If for whatever reason my comment section is off, just go ahead and hit me up on my social medias. And I will get back to you. But please make sure the video suggestions are appropriate. So yeah, this your girl Maryse and I will see you guys later. Bye. See you soon. If I can lay down beside